So working of human heart. So what will happen? It's about the, first of all, let us see that what will happen to the oxygenated blood. ठीक है, तो ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड जो है वो कहाँ से आया, कहाँ से हुआ ऑक्सीजनेट? लंग्स के थ्रू। ठीक है, तो वहां से उस ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड को लेके कौन आया? पल्मनरी वेन। आई टोल्ड यू दैट पल्मनरी वेन इज द ओनली वेन दैट कैरीज द oxygenated blood. Rest all the veins of our body carry deoxygenated blood, but pulmonary vein is the only vein that carries the oxygenated blood. Okay, rest all the veins carry deoxygenated blood. So what will happen? Let us see that oxygenated blood, it is carried by the pulmonary vein. Through pulmonary vein it will go into left auricle. Okay, left auricle will be giving this to what? Left ventricle. But through what? Bicuspid valve. Okay, so left ventricle now will be pouring its secretion into aorta, but through semilunar valve, and aorta will be giving this to all the parts of the body. Okay, so this is what that is going to happen with the oxygenated blood. Similarly, let me write here only what will happen to the deoxygenated blood. See, this cycle will start from here only. What will happen? Body will be, now it has consumed the oxygen through the respiration process and added the carbon dioxide to the blood, and now the body will be giving that to, I'll say in totality, body से वो कहाँ पे गया? Into vena cava, inferior and superior both. ठीक है, so I'll write vena cava only. Body से कहाँ गया? Vena cava. Vena cava से कहाँ आया? right auricle. राइट ऑरिकल से कहाँ गया? राइट वेंट्रिकल. राइट वेंट्रिकल से, लेकिन राइट ऑरिकल से राइट वेंट्रिकल किसके थ्रू गया? ट्राइकस्पिड valve, and right ventricle से it will go into pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery, but through what? Again, semilunar valve. Now pulmonary artery क्या किया? Pulmonary artery उसको कहाँ लेके गई? Pulmonary artery उसको कहाँ लेके गई? lungs के पास. ठीक है, और lungs से वो कहाँ गया? Pulmonary vein, and this cycle will start again. So this is how the working of human heart take place. This is how the blood will move in our heart, and how heart will act as a pumping station for the one of the function is the bifurcation or the differentiation of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. How the blood has to, like, it is the heart only that actually directs the blood to go into the organs after getting oxygenated, and again bring that blood back to the heart, and heart is the one that will make this blood go into the lungs or near the lungs for the oxygenation again. So this is how our heart works. Thank you.